Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. This tutorial will guide you through the process of rendering and saving videos in DaVinci Resolve 19. Let's start by opening your project in DaVinci Resolve and click on the Deliver tab. This section is specifically designed for exporting your finished projects. In the Delivery workspace, look for the Render Settings panel, locate the Format drop-down menu, and select MP4. This setting is ideal for creating a widely compatible video file. Scroll down to the file name and enter a name for your exported video. Select a destination folder by clicking on the Browse button next to the location field. Choose where you want to save your video, and then after setting your preferences, look for the Add to Render Queue button, usually located at the bottom of the settings panel. Click this button to queue your render job. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Render Queue section with your queued job. Click on the Render All button to start the rendering process. Wait for the rendering to complete. You can track the progress in this section, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!